Over the years, personnel came and personnel left. The personnel, they alone know the unit's secrets. The hardships, the vomiting, the back pain, the knee pain, dizziness, eye problems, and second thoughts of why they joined the unit in the first place. But we also know the camaraderie, the togetherness, the joy and the laughter, and the sense of accomplishment, knowing that we had done our part.
Were interwoven into the very fabric of our maritime operations. The absence is deeply felt. However, the legacy remains etched into our hearts. Remember the sacrifice, the camaraderie, the strength. And while their watch may have ended, our duty to honor them is perpetual. Adding to these difficulties, our inability to operate from our southern base has further strained our operations readiness. The constraint it placed on our reach, response time, and patrol capabilities were real, and yet we were able to adapt.
We can no longer afford to play checkers in a chessboard world. To effectively manage and secure our maritime space, we must shift from being reactive responders to strategic thinkers. What do I mean by that? Bridging the technological gap by integrating real-time data, surveillance systems, and digital tracking into our operations. Cultivating a mindset of innovation, where each officer is encouraged to think critically, adapt rapidly, and question the status quo. Investing in people, because while equipment and tools are valuable, human beings are, or should say, is irreplaceable.
Lede remains a crucial link between Saint Lucia's past and the future. It challenges us to preserve our culture by innovating for tomorrow, to honor those who traverse this path before us, whilst empowering the youth to remember that in both calm and storm, it is unity, not just strength, that steers the ship to shore safely.